Welcome to another showcase video from EK. My name is Matic and I will be your maître d'EK. Please allow me to serve you with today's specialty, the versatile EK Mana G2 PC O11D EVO DDC D-RGB distribution plate. On a plate. It's a custom water cooling reservoir, routing and pump solution. This waterway, as some like to call it, is a successor to the very successful G1 version and is specifically designed to provide advanced cooling to the incredibly popular O11D chassis series by Lian Li, namely the Lian Li O11D, the XL and the EVO variant. The distro plate can be moved up and down the rails, allowing for different radiator combinations and loop layouts. The EK Mana G2 distro plate is exceptionally versatile. It supports various hardware and radiator options, which is why the distro plate is also expected to find its home in numerous other non-Lian Li cases. For a standard setup with a horizontally mounted GPU and an ATX motherboard, the compatibility list for EK Quantum surface radiators is as follows. For the Lian Li O11D, and now for the Lian Li O11D XL, and for the Lian Li O11D EVO. Now let's take a look at the basic flow diagram and pay attention to the side channel. It can be left unused if the bottom radiator is not a part of the loop and the tube is routed to the upper port instead of the side channel. This way the coolant can flow from the top radiator back into the reservoir. Neat, right? Multiple mounting points are available for versatility. Vertical and horizontal GPU positioning is supported and possible for different heights. The same applies for the active backplate sets. The EK Mana G2 distribution plate is an all-in-one solution that includes a pump and a reservoir while acting as a coolant routing system. To avoid any confusion that this distro plate is only for the novice users, seasoned PC builders will also appreciate the engineering that went into this product. It is EK Matrix 7 compatible, meaning it complies with our Matrix 7 standard, which ensures the placement of the inlets and outlets is aligned with other Matrix 7 products. This minimizes the number of bends needed to create a perfect loop or completely removes the tube bending process from the equation, if you use pre-bent 90-degree tubes. This distro plate comes with a powerful, market-proven PWM-controlled 4.2 DDC pump made here in Europe. The pump can draw a maximum of 18 watts and is powered through a flat cable with a SATA connection. Our goal was to create a product with enough power to give outstanding performance when combined with multiple water blocks and radiators. You can also buy an aftermarket heatsink from the EK Quantum Convection series for added cooling and increased lifespan of the DDC pump. For those of you who do not wish to use the DDC pump, the distribution plate can also accommodate a D5 pump, using the EK Quantum Convection D5 cover. The Lian Li O11D, O11D EVO and the O11D XL PC cases have enough depth to allow the installation of the D5 pump. This Mana G2 distro plate is mounted on the side of the case, revealing its beautiful aesthetics through the side window. The built-in addressable LED strip connects to the motherboard's 5-volt header and is compatible with MSI's Mystic Light Sync, ASRock's Polychrome Sync, Asus Aura Sync and Gigabyte's RGB Fusion software for a coordinated light effect. It also works with Lian Li's L-Connect RGB control software. And as you can see, there are multiple mounting holes at the back, meaning it can be easily mounted inside the standard Lian Li O11D, the XL and EVO versions. Inside those PC cases, it is Matrix 7 compliant. But this distro plate is even more special. You can also install it in other PC cases that have standard-sized fan rails at the side. For example, in this Asus Hyperion case, you can see it as a part of the build by Mike H2O computers. And for that reason, we also created this lovely technical drawing for the Mana G2 user manual. So you can navigate the sea of available cases when planning your build, thanks to all of these dimensions. And that would be all for now, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you have enjoyed our Mana G2 a la carte episode. We're looking forward to seeing you again, and yes, I will pass the compliments on to the EK chefs in charge of this fine product. Stay cool and hopefully subscribe to our channel.